This is a Python program to find factorial of a number. 0 and 1 are easy. If you pass either of those to the factorial function, you get back 1. 2 starts to get a bit more complicated. It uses recursion. It calculates 2 factorial by saying, do 2 times whatever 1 factorial is. This calculation is stored on a stack until the 1 factorial calculation is done. Once 1 factorial returns 1, the calculation is revisited, and 2 factorial returns the answer of 2. 3 factorial is as high as I'll explain for this video. It calculates 3 factorial by saying, do 3 times whatever 2 factorial is. That calculation is stored on the stack while the program calculates 2 factorial. The program calculates 2 factorial by saying, do 2 times whatever 1 factorial is. The 2 factorial calculation is stored on the same stack, one record above the 3 factorial calculation. Once 1 factorial is calculated, that value is given back to the calculation on the top of the stack, 2 factorial. 2 factorial is calculated to be 2. Once 2 factorial is calculated, that value is given back to the 3 factorial calculation, which is still on the stack, and 3 times 2 is calculated to be 6, meaning 3 factorial is 6.